Are you looking for an opportunity to grow your business? Do you want to expose your products to a captive new audience? Do you want to give your business the edge? V8 Dirt Modifieds are an exciting open-wheel speedway division. Ground thumping, heart pounding. 600 horsepower beasts that carve up the quarter-mile dirt circuits in just under 13 seconds. Queensland currently boasts the fastest V8 Dirt Modifieds in the country. Homegrown, national and state champions with international experience add sizzle to the menu. Broadly appealing, marketable and accessible to the thousands of fans across Queensland. Large crowds, captive audience, unique exposure.
These guys are pretty tough customers. Hopefully we can put a good show on for everybody. It feels like it's really growing here from just stuff that I've seen and people I've talked to.
Just everything seems to be falling into place for us. The car's really, really good. It's the best choice we made, actually. Yeah, really happy.
But tonight, the action steps up a notch.
It's good, always good to come up here and challenge the best of them, you know.
He will drive it to its max, and it'll be really exciting to watch. Really exciting.
With up to 30 cars at each race meeting, that's 18,000 horsepower to play with. V8 Dirt Modifieds, rapidly becoming the best form of entertainment on the sporting market. V8 Dirt Modifieds, a sensational thunder down under.